So I want to start to explain what is the importance of information technology. So first, I have divided it into five types, five categories. So the first category is importance of information technology in business, and the second one is importance of information technology in education. Third one is importance of information technology in finance, and fourth one is importance of information technology in healthcare, and then finally I will explain you the importance of information technology in security. So first, I will explain you what is the importance of information technology in business. So information technology has allowed the business world to know what is going in the market, what is the price of their product, what is the demand, what is everything, in what product they made so that they got more profit, what product they should not make so that they do not get loss. So this had made the business world too much easier to know about the market, what is going on it is. So the information technology is very important to know what is going on in the market. And also information technology is very important for e-commerce market, because many people are too much busy, they are not able to go in the market and buy their products. So they can easily, sitting in the comfort of their house, can order online through the e-commerce platforms like Flipkart, Amazon, and etc. And in 2 to 3 days they will give the products mm, to their home. So this is the importance of information technology in business. And I want to move to the next sector, which is importance of information technology in education. With the information technology, the education world is changing. Before 20 or 30 years before, the education was too much low. The use of information technology was too much low. So nowadays, the schools use mm, the schools take help of information technology to explain the students. Like the school uses the projector and many more things like tablets and many more. And through these, the students can understand very easily than the practically that how the teachers explain. So information technology has also allowed the education system to explain the students and teach them in sitting in their house. Like in the pandemic, this time during the pandemic, the students can teach sitting at their home through the online classes. Without the information technology, this is not possible. So this is the information importance of information technology in education. So next, I want to move to the importance of information technology in finance. 2 or 3 decades before, it was very hard to receive or send money to the other person. Suppose that a person is living in the house in Patna and his child is studying in college in Mumbai, and he wants some money. So he will request to his father, and he will receive that message in 2 or 3 days. Then he will send the rupees, and his child will receive in 3 or 2 days. Then this will take about 6 days for the that student to receive the money. Then this is the very too much. So the information technology has made the finance too much time effective, that the nowadays some people can send money to anyone in just 2 or 3 minutes with the use of Paytm or many things. And it is also very easy through the information technology to start a small business through some websites. Like many websites allowed people to start their small business online. So this is the importance of information technology in finance sector.
Role of parents. A parent is their first teachers and should remain their best teacher throughout their life. Parents are the most precious gift of God for us. Parents are those who show real love to their children. The proper role of parents is to provide encouragement, support, and access to activities that enables the child to master key development tasks. Role of parents in our life. Unconditional love. Parents are the only one people from whom a child can expect unconditional love. Economic support. It's helped them in getting the education as well as their hobbies freely. Moral support. Parents provide moral support for the child when failures come. They also teach them prayer, spirituality, as well as other aspects required in life. Family support. Family is fundamental part of everybody home. The family of all person begins with themselves. Contribution in education. Educated parents always help their children to move in the right direction throughout the career path. They know their child's strength and weakness and steer them to right path. Contribution in success. Parents lead their children in right direction and educate them about values of relationship and discipline. There is a big role of parents in development of child as well as we are all seeing the able to see in picture that the parents is supporting its child in many ways, like being supportive, encouraging, listening to it, explaining, and being trusted, etc. Importance of parents. They are the ones who supported you from very beginning and continue to do so for the only reason that they are care for you more than anyone else. They will stand by you in all situations, even the world is against you. They are the ones who sacrifice their necessities, giving priority to your demand just to see you happy. They try their best to provide a good education to you. They are the ones who actually want to be you successful. Role of teachers. Teachers play an essential role in everyone's life. Not only do they teach us in school, but we also learn many useful things like moral values, social equality, how to treat others, and be friendly with our classmates. Role of teachers in our life. Make learning a fun. Their main task is only teaching, but also preparing a child for better tomorrow. Draw real life connections. They make learning easier by connecting different subjects to real life situations. Encourage students. Teachers encourage students to grow more as they often look to their teachers to get approved. Track improvements and get performance goals. Good teachers always remind their students that they have come a long way from they had started. They also help them by getting smart goals that they can easily be achieved. Change the scenario of life. It will say that the future development of a nation truly lies in the hands of good teachers. What we become in life depends on good education given by a teacher. Importance of teachers. They teach us new things you may not have known before. They try and teach us the reason to love learning. They teach us how mistakes can be learned from. They teach us how to take turns. They teach us respect. They teach us patience and they teach us to share. At last, I would like to say thank you, my parents and my teacher who had supported me, encouraged me, helped me, and trust on me that I can do anything in my life.
And firstly, and thank you to Rajiv sir that give me a chance to explain my topic. And my topic is how to manage current crisis. As you know that Current crisis means वर्तमानिक संकट काल। वर्तमानिक संकट काल जो अभी कोरोना वायरस है। Let's first I will discuss about what is coronavirus. Coronavirus are a family of viruses known for containing strains that cause potentially deadly disease in mammals and birds. In humans, they are typically spread via airborne droplets of fluid produced by infected individuals. Some rare but notable strains, including SARS-CoV-2, responsible for COVID-19, and those responsible for fever, acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, and Middle East respiratory syndrome, MERS, can cause death in humans. Next, 10 tips to manage coronavirus pandemic. Here are 10 tips to manage coronavirus pandemic. First, prepare, plan, educate, communicate, learn, respond, test, and lead. Let's discuss about it. Be prepared to help your company, customers, and clients to lead through this tense time. Train everyone on best practice for good hygiene, travel, packaging safe, food handling, work from home protocols, and what to do when sick. Update and refine your class crisis response plan or a draft on if it doesn't exist yet. Test your technologies and teams to make sure you are ready to continue working, communicating, and supporting one another remotely if necessary. Updating your staff, client, and partner directory and make sure your team can access remotely. Use tools that provide access to visual information and password remotely. There are virus password managers available such as onepassword.com and LastPass. Educate yourself, your colleges, clients, family members, and friends on how to find reliable, trusted source of information. Here are a few. Learn from each other by setting up crisis response resource groups within your industries and associations. Don't share hyper or fake information. Check the facts first and find out if their resource is reliable. Just because you are educated, trained, shared, it does not mean it's not high. Challenge yourself to remain positive and optimistic. I have taken to reading my relatively morning to clear my head and using the Peltion app to mediate at night. What are you doing? I hope vaccine comes soon. Thank you for watching.
Good morning to all of you. It's me Aditya of standard 7th A and I'm here to keep my view amongst you. Before starting my topic, I would like to say thank you to my school management team who give me a golden opportunity to express my views among you. Importance of exam in life and how we prepare for it effectively. Exam is the way to test our knowledge and help us to progress our knowledge. Without conducting the exam and test, students don't concentrate in their studies and learn lesson properly. Studies and learn lesson properly. Exam are necessary in schools and colleges to find out real skills, talent, and knowledge of the student. All students are study their lesson properly to get good marks in test, and each or every student is interested in getting good marks in exam, and they study hard to achieve it. Without exam, there is no chance to express our knowledge as well as our studies activities. Exam are important in life because it evaluates student skills and enable them to overcome their nervous. It is an efficient way to measure our knowledge and also help to measure how much they have learned. Actually, it promotes competition among students. It helps to developing one's personality and the confidence. Exam have a major role in providing necessary qualities in life such as hard work, patience, creativeness, and leadership. This makes them overcome their weakness in order to be a successful in life. Therefore, the exam should be compulsory. We should prepare for it effectively are giving some steps. Give yourself enough time to study, plan your exam day, organize your study space, practice an old exam paper, combine your whole mentally for the study, speak it loud when study, dry diagram to understand your topic, organize a study group with your friend for study. Thank you.